Same song, same chords, and the difference? Fills. And you'll learn 5 levels of them. And the good news, starting on the level 1, we only need 2 notes. So even if you began learning piano last week, you can do this. Feel level 1. And to make it easy to understand this feel, as an example, I'm using this song Fake Plastic Trees by Radiohead. And the chords are G major, G, B, D with G, E minor, E, G, B with E, C major, C, E, G with C. And because this song in the key of G major, everything you're gonna play using the G major scale. G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, and G. And for the first feel as an example, let's use the A minor chord. So A, G, B with A. And give a number per key. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm playing this F sharp because remember, I'm playing the G major scale. So I'm using the notes, the G major scale, but starting on E, counting the E keys. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And for this feel works, you play 2 times the chord, 1, 2, and then you go to the 5th note and play 5th and 4th. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5th and 4th. Playing everything, you have this 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this, my friends, is a pattern, which means you can apply in every single chord. For example, C major, the same thing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why F sharp? Because again, I'm using the G major scale as reference. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Play 2 times, 1, 2, and then 5, 4. 1, 2. Now talking about this song, the chord progression of the song, we have G major twice, and then E minor twice, C major again, G major again, and C major twice again. So every time that I'm playing the E minor, I have 2 repetitions. So for the first repetition, I'm gonna play the fill, 1, 2. For the second E minor, I'm just keeping repeating the chord. And for the last C major, I'm gonna do exactly the same thing. For the first time, I'm gonna play the fill. And for the second time, repetition, just repeating the chord. Doing that, I'm avoiding to make so repetitive to play exactly the same thing over and over again. And the second rule, trying to find spaces between your piano and the vocals. Sometimes you have to wait until the vocals stop to sing, and then you throw the fill. So let's have a listen how it sounds with the vocals this first fill. That already sounds different, right? And that was just 2 notes. Now, let's move around the word. Level 2, we're going to use the same notes that are already in the chord, but a specific order. And by the way, if you're looking for a piano course, especially for beginners, I'll leave a link of my course in the description down below. Back to the lesson, again using E minor as an example, G, B, and again the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And for this one, you play the chord just one time, and then you play the third, the 1, the 5, the 1 again, and the 3 again. We have this pattern. 3, 1, 5, 1, 3, 3, 1, 5, 1, 3. Playing everything. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And that's it. It's a pattern. Again, for other chords, C major, the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One time, and then 3, 1, 5, 1, 3. And for the song, I'm gonna play this fill number 2 in exact the same moments that we did in the level 1. So every time that I'm playing the first E minor, I'm gonna play the fill, and every time that I'm playing the last C major, the first repetition, I'm gonna play the fill as well. Let's have a listen. Now we have the feeling they're really moving, but we've been using just one note at a time. What happens when you use two notes? Third level, and this, my friends, is the one that I use all the time because it's powerful and sounds way harder than it actually is. Listen to this. So to play this fill again, E minor as an example, and now you go to the 5 note, to the 5th, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and play backwards. So 5, 4, 3, 2. But every time you play those notes, you play together the root note, the E. So only the top notes you have. Top notes plus the root. That's it. And then you play, to begin this pattern, you play the chord twice, 1, 2, and then the fill. Again, only the top notes. 5, 4, 3, 2. Top notes plus the root. Playing everything together. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and the same thing for other chords. C major. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 4, 3, 2, plus the root. Let's listen how it sounds with the vocals. So far, same chords, but a completely different sound. But the pros don't stop here. Level number 4, let's add more speed to our fills. E minor again. And to play this fill, you have more notes to cover. So we have E, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, I'm starting on the notes of the chord by using the notes of the G major scale, which means the F sharp instead of F natural. And E minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And for that, you play the root, the second, the third, and the fifth. And then the 7 and the 8. But to have a better sound, instead you play this 7 and this 8, one octave, just continue play, you go down one octave. So you play root, second, third, fifth, and then seventh, back, and then again the root. Playing everything together, just a little bit fast, and then 7, 8. And for that, just play the chord one time. So chord, fill. C major, same thing. You play root, second, third, fifth, and then seventh, and root again. Let's listen how it sounds with the vocals. Now you sound like you've been playing for years, but there's one more level, and this one changes everything. For the level 5, let's add a new chord and change the octave. So again, starting on E minor, now we're gonna have to turn this chord into a E sus chord. To do that, go to the third, 1, 2, 3, third, and move to the second. Again, using the notes of the G major scale. So E minor, E sus2, and then back to E minor. We have this movement. Minor, sus2, minor again. After that, just move your entire hand one octave higher like this, position as E minor, but you play doing the same slide down movement. So you go to the fifth note, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and play fifth, fourth, third, and second, together with the root. Playing everything together, we have 1, again, minor, sus2, minor, root plus fifth, 4, 3, and 2. Again. For the C major, same thing. We have here C major, turn this C into a C sus2, which means move the third for the second, sus2, C major again, one octave high, up, and then fifth with root, fourth with root, third with root, and second with root. Playing everything. Let's listen with the vocals. And now, my friends, let me play all the 5 levels for you to compare. So, level 1 from 2 notes to a completely different song. And which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And now, if you want to learn more about piano accompaniment, just click on this video up here. So, thank you for watching, and I see you in the next tutorial.